just to show you a little bit of what I do for legs. This video is going to show you, of course, just a little bit about, well, what I do for legs. Let's go!
I'm gonna try close. What are you gonna try, man? Right side of my hips.
Alright, so first off, I do 135, which is just a plate for a few reps just to get my legs a little warmed up after stretching. Then I normally go to 185, then 225, and so on and so forth.
Like you almost died? It could be a lot of weight. You doing T-bars? What? Are you gonna do T-bar? Some back? Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll move this here for you in a second. It's done with the set.
Appreciate it.
Yes, bud.
Alright, so this was 3 reps of 315. I've never really done this before. It felt kind of good. I sped it up a little bit so that I wouldn't waste all you guys' time. But this was my goal. Now I have to boost my goal up a little bit more, so I'm thinking 365. But we'll just see how it goes. Bad form.
Alright guys, so after squatting and deadlifts, I normally do leg extension, normally hit 200 or above. That sounds kind of crazy, at least for me. Then I do leg curls, then calf raises, and then after that I'm normally done. But I can't show you that because I didn't record it. Sorry. But anyway, if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. I'll be posting videos soon-ish if you guys want. But anyway, that includes this video. Thank you guys, and I'll see y'all soon.